ছিল সে লাল কাপড় ছেড়ে দিয়েছে, তার সঙ্গে আবার ধরেছে। আমি বললাম কিরে কালকে দেখলাম কিন্তু লাল কাপড় কোথায় গেল? বললাম গুরুদেব বলেছে ওকে দেখাশোনা করতে, ওই জন্য লাল কাপড় ছেড়ে দিয়ে ওর সঙ্গে আছি। তো গুরুদেব কখন বললো তোকে? এখন গুরুদেব নির্দেশ তো আমার পালন করতে হবে।
Mother will come. Padmanabh and others. Oh, any kirtan. Then all have not come. Do any kirtan.
Hare Krishna,
লগেজ পৌঁছায় না, লগেজ আনতে যেতে হবে, ফ্রাঙ্কফুটে গিয়েছে মনে হয়।
लोगे
জিনিসপত্র পৌঁছায় নাই, আজ সকালে বলছিল ফ্রাঙ্কফুটে আনতে যেতে হবে, আজ দেখার কথা আছে, মনে হয় গিয়েছে আমার অনুমান।
नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णकृष्णाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त इति नामि Namaste Gauravam Rajam twinkling.
Krishna is so wonderful, it fills my heart with joy. When I think about the pastimes of the happy boy, his birthday nights and lucky like a fresh cloud of rain. And when I sing of the heaven he's supreme and absolute, he comes out in promised day. When the demons are on top and there is he never takes the demons with his club and his sword. There's never peace of his foot in that house, my Krishna Lord. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In the prison with his father and his mother Devaki, he appeared before on Vishnu, such a glorious sight to see. In his hands he held his cup, his foot he dipped his lotus flower. His parents offered prayers in that most of his tower. Now although he's Bhagavan and the source of all the being, his mother didn't want her brother Kamsa to see. She said, "Hey, come a little baby boy, you feel here if you can." Said Krishna had his father take him up the Vrindavan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now Kamsa was a demon and his friends were demons too. This Krishna's going to kill us, so whatever shall we do? They put their heads together and they made a wicked plan. We take all the little children and we'll kill them if we can. Ah, but Krishna, he was sent, but he was out of Kamsa's reign. With Nanda and Yashoda as their baby he did play. And the gopis and the cows and Balaram and everyone were merged in transcendental distress in his silent song. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Putana was a witch and she could fly through the air, and all the simple ways of killing children she would share. She would poison on her breast and made up her mind at once. She'd murder little Krishna if I told she got the chance. Now Yashoda didn't know she was a witch in disguise. She was beautifully dressed with lovely face and lovely eyes. When Krishna sucked her breast, he took out her life as well. He kindly sent her home instead of sending her to hell. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then the whirlwind demon came, and he kicked up dust and stones. With Krishna cried Yashoda and fell down with piteous groans. The demon carried baby Krishna high into the sky, but Krishna forced him down away his great big would die. Then Yashoda picked him up, and she pacified her mind. She thanked the Lord above for being so merciful and kind. She chanted names of God to protect her child from harm. She didn't
Deutsch etwas an. Bitte morgen alle pünktlich um 17 Uhr hier sein, wenn Schüler Gurudev eine Klasse gibt. Please everyone be punctual for the class daily here with Schüler Gurudev at 5 o'clock. And also please do not bring the chairs from the back too close so that when devotees come they don't have room to sit and have to sit behind those who are on chairs and cannot see anything here in the front. And also, das sage ich wieder auf Deutsch, Kanayalal Prabhu macht die Übersetzung für die, die kein Englisch verstehen, ins Deutsche und hat dazu entsprechendes Zubehör. Bitte sich an Kanayalal wenden, wenn man kein Englisch versteht, er macht die Übersetzung dafür. Thank you, danke schön, Hari Krishna.
Move that chairs now. So many people are standing.
Yes, maybe those people who are standing can ask the people who are sitting in front of them on chairs to please give up their chairs and move back. Thank you, Hari.
You can move back with the chair. The chair, not
Please move back with your chairs. Thank you.
difficult for sitting on the floor. So then occupied chair, if you ask them to give it back, then how they can sit?
Whoever's smoking inside, please stop. Please don't smoke inside, thank you.
Bitte nicht rauchen hier im Saal. Bitte sofort das Zigarettenrauchen einstellen. Dankeschön.
Who will do?
ठीक है
ঠিক আছে ভাই
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः वञ्चाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः नमो महावदन्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरत्विषे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं नमामचरणन्तिके. First of all, my millions of Dandavat pranam in the lotus feet of my spiritual master, Paramaradhyatam Om Vishnu Padra Sutra Srimad Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj. And same in the lotus feet of my Shiksha Guru, Nitya Leela Pravishta Om Vishnu Padra Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj. About 5,000 years before, more than that, when Krishna left this world, and all the qualities of this world, transcendental world, went with Krishna, all his quality. And very soon, Kali Yuga came. And that time, the minds of all, ladies and male, even sadhu, sannyasis, brahmachari, grihastha, were upset. All began to be engaged in sense gratifications only. Thus, everywhere unreligious things were done. So by this fear, about 88,000 of Rishi Maharshis, like Saunak and others, all were there in the bank of Gomati Naimisharanya. And they were thinking what to do.
Hare Krishna, please turn off your cell phone, please.
What to do?
Turn off your all mobile phone, please.
Yeah.
মোবাইল বাজছে চারদিকে।
What to do? Also the disciple of Srila Sukadeva Goswami, Ugra Sut was there. They told to him, O Sutta Goswami, you are disciple of very high class of devotee, Sukadeva Goswami, who read Srimad Bhagavatam from Srila Vyasadeva himself. And you know also Ved, Upanishad, Puran, Shastra, Mahabharata, Ramayana, especially Srimad Bhagavatam. Our question is that Kal Yuga is coming, and Kal Yuga is coming. Prayena alpa ayusham sabya kalasmin juge juge manda sumandamatayo manda bhagyahi upadrata. In this Kali Yuga, the age of human is very short. Not more than 100. If not controlled, then 50. Anyhow, Manda, their intelligence is very, very less. So Manda Matayo, not they are intelligent. They are thinking, I am this body. And these are mine. The son is mine, wife is mine, the wealth is mine, everything. They don't know that who is God, who am I? No intelligence. Manda Bhagya, always they do something for happiness, but without invitation. Oh, only suffering coming. Especially, old is bound to come. And in the last, you will have to give up this body. No one will go with you. Your dear wife, children, relatives, no one will go. Your all wealth will be here. Where to go? You don't know. And there are so many upadrava. What updraw?
Disturbance.
Disturbance, problems, quarreling here and there. Sometimes so many rogues like cancer, TB, so many. New rogues coming in Kali Yuga.
Disease.
We don't know when anyone will come, will die. At the time of Ramchandra, at the time of also Parikshit, any son, they never
Die.
died in front of his father. Any ladies that don't become
Widow. Widow.
widow, all were happy. But now we see that we don't know that this boy's father, what is the name of father? Divorce so much here and there. Even perhaps anyone has written their names in green?
World Guinness Book.
World Guinness Book. That she has divorced about 10, 20 times more than that. So anyone in this, no happy, no happy. So we are requesting you, Ata Sadho Atra, in this Kali Yuga, Jatsaram Samudhrita Manishaya, by intelligence, by reading all the books, Ved, Shastra, Upanishad, Gita, Bhag, and especially Bhagavad. What is the essence of that? By following that, our soul will be happy. Not we will be happy. This body not. So especially he is telling, Jayatma Suprasidati. If a drunkard is very happy by taking so much wine, really he is not happy. Anyone taking the flesh, cow's meat, and thinks, I am very happy. They are not happy. They are like mad persons. They don't know what will be the effect of these things. So, please tell the essence of the whole Shastra by which Atma will be happy. And then he became very happy. Sut Goswami became very happy. And he told that, I am very lucky that you have asked me a question by which I am remembering whole sweet pastimes of Krishna and his incarnations. So, I must give answer. And then he did pranam to his Gurudev. Jang prabrajantam anupetam apet krityam dvaipayano viraha katare ajuhavo. Putreti tanmayate atanvo bhinedu tang sarva bhutaridayam munimanutosmi. Sukadeva Goswami, really he was the parent of Srimati Radhika, Sriya Shuka, Sriya Radhika. But anyhow, one day, Srimati Radhika was giving sweet rice to that parrot, taking on her hand and telling, so, tell Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. And parrot was in the very melody of Radhika tune, very sweet. He was repeating Krishna, Krishna. In the meantime, he flew away from her, and nearby Nandagaon, he went very nearer, and Krishna was sitting with Madhumangal, and they were talking something, and on the branch of a very green tree, this parrot sat there and began to tell, like Radhika, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Krishna thought, from where? No one is here. From where this sound coming?
Like Radhika.
Then he, saw that on the tree, very pure, beautiful, bird like sook is there. Then he told, come on, come on. Very sweet words. And parrot at once come on his hand and sat there. And then Krishna began to curiosity. Oh, what you are telling? Speak again, again. And the parrot began to, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. And he added more. I'm very, very unlucky. My Swamini is Radhika. She was taking me on her hand and giving me sweet rice. And she was telling to repeat, Krishna, Krishna. My Swamini is very merciful. Very merciful. She used to love me so much, but by the nature of bird, I flew from there and I have come here. I am very unfortunate. Then, in the meantime, Krishna heard this thing and he began to curious and telling, again you should speak, again and again. In the meantime, Lalita Vishakha came there. Oh Krishna, this parrot is of Srimati Radhika. Without parrot she cannot live. Please give, and we should give her. Or you should call, and if he goes, you can take. They began to call, but parrot not came. Then Lalita Vishakha told that anyone, any living entity who will go to you and your affection he will have, he never return to anywhere. Only if Radhika will come, then he go. Otherwise never. So how she can go? But without this parrot, my Sakshi will not leave. Very upset. Krishna told that I cannot give. If he can go himself, you should call them. Then Lalita Vishakha, very intelligent, they went to Mother Yashoda and told, oh, this parrot has come here. My Sakhi is very upset, Radhika. Please take the bird and give us, and we will return back to Radhika. Then Yashoda Maya was, oh, you should sit here, I am coming. And she came and went there where Krishna was playing with that bird. And at once, by Japattama,
Grab it.
huh?
Grab it.
At once, what are you doing? Nonsense.
Naughty boy.
Always playing with birds, animals. Come on with me. And he took one hand of Krishna and began to drag him. Your father is sitting waiting for you to take bath and to take prasadam. At once you should go. Krishna being the Supreme Lord, Lord of Lord. But on the front of Madhyasoda, he is a baby only. He cannot do anything. He forgets his Bhagavatta, his
Godhood.
that he is all powerful. Then Yasodama gave it to Lata Visakha, and they went and gave it. When Krishna Lila was finished, the bird wanted to go with them. But Radhika and Krishna told, after our going there will be none to tell them for Krishna bhajan. So better you should wait here and preach Bhagavatam. What should they will tell to Parikshit Maharaj? So please be here. So he waiting here in this world, but without Krishna pursuit pastimes hearing, he cannot live. So he went to Kailash where Bhagavan Shankar was telling the same Bhagavatam to his wife Parvati. And Parvati was hearing. The parrot on a branch of very green and tall branch, he was sitting there. And from there he was hearing. First canto anyhow, she heard. And when second and third week came, Sarga, Visarga, all the Srishti, all the creation of this world, oh, no interest he has. So they can sleep. And then, as before she was telling, और कहो, हाँ ठीक है, oh go on,
Very good.
very good, she was telling. Oh, when she slept,
Continue.
that parrot began to. Oh yes, very good, go on. After this, Shankar was thinking that,
Parvati Devi.
oh, Parvati is hearing. But when he finished 10th and went in, we are about to finish in 12th chapter. Oh, at once he woke up and told, oh, Bhagavan Shiv, I was slept, I have not heard. Then, who heard this? And began to see here and there. And he saw that in a very green, dark branch, a parrot is there. And he is doing, yes, go on. Then he took his dragon and began to follow to kill that. This bird at once so very nearby flew away towards Badrikashram, where Vyasdev was telling same Harikatha, Bhagavatam, to his wife Bitika. And she was hearing, oh, with a very wonderful curiosity, hearing the sweet pastimes of wonderful that Krishna took Govardhan. And oh, very wonderful. And then parrot came and entered in his stomach at once. Then Shankar came, very angry with dragon, and he asked Vyasdev, oh Vyasdev, namaskar. Oh, Vyasdev, oh, from where you are coming? As if you are very angry with dragon. Oh yes, have you seen any parrot here coming? Why you are searching? He has heard Srimad Bhagavatam. Then why you want to kill him? Or any anadhikari, not qualified person should not hear this Srimad Bhagavatam. So he was unqualified and he heard all Srimad Bhagavatam. What is the fruit of hearing Srimad Bhagavat? Oh, he becomes immortal. Then if he is mortal, how Shankar? You can kill him. And then Shankar also began to laugh, returned back. And this parrot, now he was Om of Vyasdeva's wife, Om, for 16 years, not coming. Vyas told Dev, after 16 years he told, "Oh Prabhu, who are you? I don't know. Why you are giving suffering to your mother? Please come down." That boy told, "Oh, I will not come in Maya." Maya, you know? Maya, जो नहीं है, which is not existing, and it seems to be existing. But we are not body, but we are thinking that, oh, I am body, this is Maya. We are so much attached to this, not attaching to Krishna. Oh, this is Maya. We are suffering from the endless pain of birth and death, knowing that my forefather had died. But we think that we will not die. Oh, this is all Maya. Srishti, Sthiti, Pralaya, all are Maya. I will not come in this Maya. Then Vyasdev told that I am removing this Maya, so please come. He told that I don't believe on you. So to whom you believe? I believe in Krishna. If he will come and tell then Krishna came by the prayer of Vyasdev, and Krishna told, "Oh boy, I am Krishna. I am removing for a moment, just for a moment. You should come down." Oh, I believe you. And at once Krishna removed Maya and he came in a moment. And even no sanskar, cutting off,
Naval. Umbilical cord.
nothing. No Jagyapivit, nothing. Run away towards forest. Who is father? Who is mother? Who is son? From birth. Then Vyasdev, thinking that I have met Srimad Bhagavatam, in this world there is no qualified person to whom I will teach. And this son, from birth he is not attached to any worldly things. So really he is qualified to hear. And if he will hear, he will preach this mission to whole world. So he began to follow. Oh Putra, oh come on, return.
Oh son, oh son.
And then echo came from the forest. Putra. Vyasdev told Putra, or echo came, Putra. Who is Putra? Who is son? Who is father? Who is mother? Hare Krishna is your father, Krishna is your mother, Krishna is everything. That echo came. After that, Sukdev Goswami went in a forest and there he followed Vyasdev. Some ladies were Apsara from heaven.
Planet.
They were playing naked in a pond. When Sukdev Goswami went there, nothing, they were playing naked in the water. But when Vyasdev, old, very big, yes, white, when he came there, at once they ran away and they took their garments and from far away they began to do pranam to Vyasdev. Vyasdev told, "Oh my daughters of daughters, I am more than your grandfather of grandfather. And if seeing my young, very beautiful, naked my son, and you are not, what?
Not feeling shy.
No shy. But I am so old, you are my what, granddaughter, daughter,
Great grandchild.
and seeing me, you became shameful. And at once you took your garments and doing pranam. Why? Then they told, oh, your son does not know that this is tree or lady or male or what. She is only soul, and super soul always everywhere in everywhere. Not ladies, male and trees and creepers and anything. But you asked me. Huh? You asked me, oh, my daughters. So you have this knowledge that we are ladies, these are male. So we became very shyful to you. After that, Sukadeva Goswami, Vyasdev made a slok and taught to some
Hunters.
hunters. They were going to have so many birds from forest. And they spoke what Vyasdev had told, Barha Pidam Natvar Bapu Karnayo Karnikara Bibradvasa Kanak Kapisang Bajayanti Chimalam Randhran Vein Vadad Sudaya Purayan Gopavindai. This is the very beautiful description of Krishna in Srimad Bhagavatam. And hearing this, Sukadeva Goswami was at once attracted, and he came to them and told them, who has
Taught this.
taught you? Please tell him to tell that what are the qualities of that person for which beauty you have told. And next day they went to Vyasdev. Vyasdev told again, Aho Vakiyam Stanakalakutam Jighansaya Lebhe Gatim Dhat Uchitam Kangva Dayalu Saranam Prijima. Oh, Putna went to kill Krishna, giving poison in her breast. And Krishna so merciful that he gave Dhatri Gati, like mother.
Motherlyhood destination.
So who is so much merciful and who accept Krishna, oh, they will go to others.
Kirtan.
And then he came to Vyasdev, and Vyasdev taught him all Srimad Bhagavatam.
Kirtan.
A Kirtan. You can tell Kirtan.
রসায়ন করবে
কি কীর্তন